Assalamu alaikum students. Exercise number 1.3 we will continue today, and it's question number 12 we have to solve today from 12 onwards. Now see the statement of question number 12, 13 and 14. You may find in all three parts 4, here dot mean not 4.2, 4 multiplied by 2 power 2x plus 1 minus 9 2 power x plus 1 is equal to 0. Also in the second part 3 power 2x plus 2 is equal 12 into, this is not decimal, it is power, it is multiplication, 12 multiplied by 3 power x minus 3. Also in the 14th part 2 power x plus 64 multiplied by 2 power minus x minus 20 equal to 0. In all three parts you may find, and it is present that the power, the variable is involved in power. Variable x is in power, here also in power. So such an equation in which the exponent, in the exponent there is a variable, it is called exponential equation. And before starting this question you should mark the definition of the exponential equation. Exponential equation, in exponential equation variable occur in exponent. It is the definition of exponential equation. The method of solving such equation illustrated. So the definition is, in exponential equation the variable occur in exponent, and the example can be anything, this or the parts we are solving. Any example from your side you can use it as its example. Maybe 5 power x plus 1 minus 3 is equal to 0 is called the exponential equation. So we'll also again use reduce this exponential form to the reducible quadratic equations, as we solved in the previous question, in which we used to let y is equal x square and then y square will be x power 4. So all these questions are reducible to quadratic equation. Now let's find their solution. Now question number 11, 12 and sorry, it is 12, 13 and 14. 12, 13 and 14 are similar. So starting with question number 12, the statement is 4 multiplied by 2 power 2x plus 1 minus 9 multiplied by 2 power x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now this is 4, it will remain as it is, and this 2x plus 2 2 power 2x plus 1 can be written as 2 power 2x into 2 power 1, because when the bases are same and the powers multiply, here is power plus, if the base is same power will be add. So instead writing it 2 power 2x plus 1, I have write it as 2 power 2x into 2 power 1 minus 9 multiplied by 2 power x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now 4 multiplied by 2 is 8, 8 multiplied by 2 power 2x minus 9 into 2 power x plus 1 is equal to 0. Again see, first three steps are important. You have break this power 2 power 2x plus 1 into 2 power 2x into 2 power 1, because when the base is same power will be add. Now 4 multiplied by 2 is 8 and rest of the expression remains same. Solving it, now we'll make some substitution as we did in previous part. We'll let y equal 2 power x. It means y square will be 2 power x square. Power will multiply with power, so y square will be equal to 2 power 2x. So making this substitution in this equation, say it as equation 1 becomes 8y square In place of 2 power 2x we have y square minus 9y. In place of 2 power x we have y plus 1 equal to 0. Now it has become our quadratic equation in variable y. So solve it by factorization first. 8 ones are 8 and they are the only factor. 8y square minus 8y minus y plus 1 equal to 0. Taking 8y as common, inside bracket y minus 1 common into y minus 1 equal to 0. Y minus 1 common, 8y minus 1, 2 possible solution, y minus 1 equal to 0 and 8y minus 1 equal to 0. Here we have y equal to 1 and here y equal to 1 by 8, but y was equal 2 power x. It means 2 power x equal to 1. Also 2 power x equal 1 by 8. As you know, the power of any number, if 0, it is equal to 1. So if I'll write it 2 power x and 1 can be written as 2 power 0. It means comparing both sides. By comparing ये लिख लें both sides, bases are same, 2 equal to and x equal to 0. Here this 2 power x and 8 can be written as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, it means 2 power 3. 2 power x equal, using exponential property, this power 1 over 2 power 3 when expressed in numerator it will be 2 power minus 3. Now come by comparing both sides. Base 2 equal to and x equal to minus 3. So the solution set (0 and minus 3 or minus 3 comma 0). See it again. Just break that power and let y equal 2 power x. It means y square will be 2 power 2x. Become in quadratic in y. Solve by factorization, and after this put the value of y and make the powers equal the powers and find their answers. Now in the question number 13 we have almost same statement, but the only difference is we'll first express it in the standard form. Standard form, here we cannot see any y square or y, it is in exponential form. So try to make 2x plus 2 answer will be more than this power 3x. 3 power 2x plus 2 minus 12 into 3 power x plus 3 equal to 0. Again break this power, 3 power 2x into 3 power 2 minus 12 into 3 power x plus 3 equal to 0. Let y equal 3 power x. It means y square will be 3 power x whole square. Y square equal 3 power 2x, making this substitution in equation number 1. It is 3 square is 9, 9y square. I'll increase one step. 3 square is 9. You may write it as 3 power 2x will be y square minus 12y plus 3 equal to 0. It become quadratic equation in y, but before this take 3 common. 3y square minus 4y plus 1 equal to 0. 3 cannot be equal to 0. It means 3y square minus 4y plus 1 can be equal to 0, and use the factorization here. 3 ones are 3. 3y square minus 3y minus y plus 1 equal to 0. 3y common, y minus 1 minus 1 common, y minus 1 equal to 0. So y minus 1 into 3y minus 1 equal to 0. One solution is y minus 1 0, we have y equal to 1. Second solution is 3y minus 1 equal to 0, we have y equal 1 by 3. But y was equal 3 power x. It means 3 power x equal 1. 3 power x equal, this 1 by 3 can be written as 3 power minus 1. 3 power x equal, this one can be written as 3 power 0 by comparing both sides. X equal to 0 and x equal to minus 1. So the solution set minus 1 comma 0. Now the last part of our lesson today of exponential equation is 2 power x plus 64 into 2 power minus x minus 20 is equal to 0. Here you can see, if it is 2 power x, then it is 2 power minus x. It means the reciprocal of 2 power x. So we'll let y equal 2 power x now. It means 1 by y will be 2 power minus x. Y plus 64 into 1 by y minus 20 equal to 0. Y plus 64 over y minus 20 is equal to 0. To express in standard form, we must not have y in the denominator, so multiply both sides by y. Is equal to y into 0. Y into y, we have y square plus 64 minus 20y equal to 0. Y square minus 20y and plus 64 equal to 0. Solving it by factorization, you may see 64 ones are 64. Two number whose product is 64 and their sum is minus 20. They are minus 16 and minus 4. Also minus 16 and minus 4, when we add them it is minus 20. So y square minus 4y minus 16y plus 64 equal to 0. Y into y minus 4 minus 16 into y minus 4 equal to 0. Y minus 4 into y minus 16 equals 0. One solution is y equal to 4 and y equal to 16, but y was 2 power x. It means 2 power x equal to 4 and 2 power x equal to 16, 2 power x, 4 can be written as 2 power 2, 16 can be written as 2 power 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 8, 2 is 2 power 4. So by comparing both sides, x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 4. That's the solution set 2, 4. So I hope you understand question 12, 13 and 14 of exponential equations, and inshallah in the next lesson we will complete this exercise number 1.3 and move on to exercise number 1.4. Thank you so much. If you have any problem, kindly discuss with me. Allah Hafiz.